Yo, this is B-Star, your big boy Bay, and today we're gonna learn Amapiano to start with. That was Vulani by Momo. A very nice song. Like the progression is kinda out there, but let's go into the crash course. Let's get into the meat and potatoes of this whole thing and just get into the chords. So the key of the song is in E flat. E, my bad. And the progression is 2, 3, 5, 6, right? I'm gonna create a later series for the chords later, but right now, just keep in your head 2, 3, 5, 6. So how does a 2, 3, 5, 6 look like? Let's have a look right now. So we first start with our 2, then we go to our 3, then we go to our 5, then we go to our 6, and back to the 2. See how that song goes. So, so it's a very nice, simple melody. The progression gives a sort of like an uplifting type of emotion. Hence why ngathi yak chuchu lose. Mangiting is K, so chuchu loses you. So I love this progression. So once again, guys, let's just go through it again. So 2, 3, 5, 6, and back to 2. And that is just only the intro. And I'm loving how this song is, and actually shows the intelligence on the music team behind Momo's production, especially for the song. It's actually kind of very lit. These guys didn't go for normal chords, and I'm kind of more excited to actually explore more about this song. So let's go to the second part. Clear what actually happens in this part, right? So I'm gonna, the first part was 2, 3, 5, 6, 2. Now, as I said, the musical team behind this song is actually very intelligent because of usually how we play this type of movement in any type of song that we've seen in pop culture and everywhere all around. We would go for 3, 4, then 6. But now, the geniusness of this guy, he's like 2, 5, he's like 2, 3, 5, 6 on the first part. But then on the second part, to actually sort of like complete the whole, how can I say, homage to the old progression, they start the whole thing at 4. So they'll be like, ba, be, do. And that's when their hands are like, you know what I'm saying, right? Guys, this is the first time I actually listened to the song properly. So mind my vocals, I get easy lyrics. But when that hand is hitting that chorus, right, that's when we hit that 4, 6, 2, 2. And you can even spice it up. It's kind of genius because we first started with the 2, 5, skipping the 4, 5, 6, but then to complete that whole thing, our second part is 4, 6, 2, which actually, for me, in terms of musicality and the completeness of your song when you're writing, it's sort of completed because of it pays homage to the original 2, 3, 4 progression. And I love it. So there's another part. I love this part, guys. You guys don't understand the harmonics. Like, take five, man. Can you clap hands for Momo? The music team behind this production is geniuses. Because, observe, we started off with the 2, 5, right? And that's sort of like our grooving, if I had to put it into a category, it would be like our grooving chords or our grooving progressions, right? And then to complete it, you know what I'm saying? Then it goes, and then after completing it, then he reharmonizes 2, then 1, 6, 4, For 5 years, I've been waiting to hear something like this, and this guy just gave it to me. So guys, I deconstructed it. Very easy, very simple. I hope you guys take this lesson, use it, grow this Amapiano movement, because we are too stagnant. We need to explore. We need to do both Ellis on this, you know what I'm saying? But anyway, guys, check it out on the next song. I love it, man. I love this song.